Have you ever wondered what to do with your inventory to make unique teen gifts? Well, let's get started. Okay, so these are some things that I have in my inventory already, and I decided to put them together usefully, uniquely, hopefully, and come up with some little gifts that I can have available for young teens. So I have these bags. I already have these in stock. I got them on Amazon. I'm not sure what the dimensions or the price is for them. But what I did realize was that I had some things such as some eyelashes, scrunchie. This is for straw. So I make these little straw decor. So I made this little thing. I sell those, of course. And I just said the scrunchie. And the lip balm, I make this as well. So what I decided to do was just make this simple. And all we're doing is adding in the eyelashes. And then the lip balm goes down there. And then we put our little birdie in here. So that's how it's looking so far. And then we add in our scrunchie. This is super duper simple. Okay? Super duper simple. Little easy gift for someone to pick up on my table. Okay, that's it. So that's it for that one. This is another one. That's a butterfly. That's also a straw decor. Alright. This has fingernail polish in it. So that's what I switched up here. This one has a phone holder. I made the phone holder. So it goes on the back of your phone. It sticks on the back of the phone like that. On the back of the phone so you can hold it on the phone. And that looks like a little flip-flop. Okay. We also have some gloves. So these are the gloves that you use to wash yourself in the shower or the tub, of course. The beauty gloves. And also a scrunchie, a mask, and a lip balm. Alright? And this one, instead of having the scrunchie, it has a little bag in there that you can put your little whatnots in there with it, along with the mask. Okay. These I'm still working on. I like these colors, so of course I'm going to put a little sticker on that price. But I love these colors. This is going to snugly fit in and give me just a little bit of space at the top. So I don't know, I don't have anything right now that I want to put in there. I don't want to put a lip balm at the top of this. So I'm waiting to figure out what to put there. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. So this is how it looks in the end. What I did was I created a little label, and I was doing this already where I stapled it on the sides of my packaging, However, I could not find my stapler this time, and I was not going to allow that to hold me up. I have things to do. So what I decided to do was use double-sided tape. So let me show you what I did, because this works perfectly. Okay, absolutely perfectly. I'll just do one for you. I put a little bit on both sides. And this was so easy, guys. You could create it in Word. You can create it. I created mine in Canva a long time ago. But you can create them. Oh, I create them in Canva, but then after I create them in Canva, I don't print them from there. I actually print them from a Word document. Okay? That's actually how I do it. I'm always having trouble with some tape, aren't I? I don't know if you noticed that in my videos, but I am. And my dog is always somewhere nearby. He was just under my desk here and just went behind me. So I'm pretty sure this green screen just moved. We're not going to worry about it. That's all. That's all. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on this one. I'm going to put it on this one. I'm going to do all of them. Just going to do this one for you today. He is trying to get my attention, guys. Do you hear me? How about look, we turn this over and do this like we know we're supposed to do. He is trying to get my attention. He was just outside. He was just outside a few minutes ago. So we're going to act like we don't even hear him. One minute, okay? Give me 1 minute. Can you give me 1 minute? Can you give me 1 minute? Can you give me 1 minute? He might jump. He might be up here in a second. He might be up here in a second. Hopefully he won't. I'm just trimming up the edges a little bit because I did not, even though I did measure, I went over a little bit on purpose to give myself a teensy bit of overlap. Okay, but that's how we're looking. Right there. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Oh, if you have not before, please take a moment to check out my other videos. Until next time. Bye.